Have you ever wished you bought Tesla or Nvidia before everyone else was talking about them? Well, what if we told you there are small-cap stocks flying under the radar right now that could become tomorrow's giants? In today's video, we're counting down 10 of the best small-cap stocks to buy in 2025, ranked from number 10 to number 1 based on their fundamentals, future growth potential, and overall business quality. We're Investment IQ Insights, and we're here to help you find smarter investment opportunities. If you're serious about building long-term wealth, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our research-backed stock picks. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only. Always do your own research and speak with a financial professional before making any investment decisions. Alright, let's dive in, starting at number 10 and working our way to our top small-cap stock pick for 2025. Number 10, Root Incorporated, ticker, ROOT. Root is changing how car insurance works. Instead of using outdated credit scores and demographic data, Root uses smartphone technology to track how well you actually drive. That means safer drivers can pay less, and risky drivers pay more. It's fair and it's data-driven. But here's the thing, Root is still not profitable, and it operates in a super competitive industry. Big players like Geico and Progressive aren't going anywhere. Root is improving fast. Their losses are shrinking, and revenue is growing, but as of now, Root Incorporated is still a turnaround story. Number 9, Innova International Incorporated, ticker, ENVA. Innova International is a financial technology company specializing in online lending solutions for consumers and small businesses. Innova has demonstrated consistent sales growth between 20% and 26% over the past 8 quarters, with earnings per share climbing 43% year-over-year to $2.61. Strong financial performance, robust growth projections, and a solid position in the fintech sector make Innova a compelling small-cap stock to watch in 2025. Number 8, Sweetgreen Incorporated, ticker, SG. Sweetgreen is a fast-growing healthy food chain. If you live in a big city, you've probably seen one. They're expanding quickly and are using automation and tech to streamline food prep. And customers love the brand. However, like many restaurant startups, they're still burning cash. Expansion is expensive, and competition is fierce. The brand is strong, and the long-term vision is solid, but the company needs time to grow into profitability. Number 7, Opera Limited, ticker, OPR. Opera is a web browser company, but not your typical one. It focuses on emerging markets and has added built-in crypto wallets, AI tools, and ad blockers. They're profitable and growing steadily, but let's be honest, it's tough to compete with Chrome, Safari, and Firefox. Opera has over 350 million users and is targeting underserved markets, and they've consistently made money, which is rare for a small-cap tech company. Number 6, Summit Midstream Corporation, ticker, SMLP. Summit is in the energy game. They transport natural gas and liquids through pipelines across the U.S. They've spent the past couple of years fixing their balance sheet and reducing debt. Now, they're focusing on growth again. Natural gas demand is expected to grow, and Summit could start paying a dividend again soon. Summit is still a bit of a recovery play, but the fundamentals are improving. Number 5, Natural Grocers, ticker, NGVC. Natural Grocers is a family-run health food store chain, sort of like a mini Whole Foods. The company just had a fantastic year. Same-store sales are up, earnings jumped over 40%, and customers love the organic and supplement-focused selection. The company's disciplined growth strategy, coupled with a solid balance sheet, contributes to its financial stability and potential for long-term value creation. The risks are that grocery margins are slim, and expansion is slow and steady, not explosive. Number 4, Intap Incorporated, ticker, INTA. Intap builds specialized software for professional services firms such as law firms, accounting firms, financial advisors. This isn't a flashy consumer app. It's a sticky, mission-critical B2B platform, with a client retention rate of 95%. These kinds of clients don't like switching providers, which means recurring revenue and growth potential. The downside is that the company is not yet profitable, but they're moving in the right direction. Number 3, Hims & Hers Health Incorporated, ticker, HIMS. Hims & Hers is a telehealth company offering everything from hair loss treatment to anxiety meds, all delivered discreetly to your door. Their growth has been incredible, revenue is approaching $1 billion, and they've expanded into Europe and Latin America. The company's strengths are their brand power, affordability, and scale. Their only weakness is thin margins, but they've improved dramatically and are close to breaking even. Number 2, SoundHound AI Incorporated, ticker SOUN. SoundHound is at the cutting edge of voice-enabled artificial intelligence. Think voice search, ordering at drive-thrus, or controlling your car, all without needing Siri or Alexa. They've landed deals with big brands in automotive, food service, and smart devices. Revenue is expected to grow by 80% next year. SoundHound has massive potential in a fast-growing AI niche. It's still early for SoundHound, but they're scaling fast. And finally, our number 1 small-cap stock for 2025 is Innodata Incorporated, ticker INOD. Innodata is a data engineering and AI services company that helps big corporations train large language models by structuring their internal data. Think ChatGPT-style tools. Sales more than doubled last year. They've signed major clients, and their AI momentum is only just beginning. The company has strong revenue growth, expanding margins, and huge demand for what they offer. Why it's number 1? It combines strong fundamentals and exposure to AI, one of the biggest trends of the decade. And there you have it, 10 small-cap stocks to keep your eye on in 2025, ranked from promising to potentially explosive. Some of these are already profitable. Others are getting close. All of them are worth researching further if you're looking for growth opportunities in the market's most overlooked corner. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button. And don't forget to subscribe to Investment IQ Insights for more smart investing content every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.